Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting the essentials, audience signals, and a clear goal for this post. Once done, pick a concise seed, 100 to 300 words or 3 core ideas, so the AI has context. Provide 3 examples of tone and 2 competing headlines to guide style. Use a prompt that states goal, audience, and format, then ask for 3 variants. This fast setup avoids aimless rewriting and makes the AI deliver targeted suggestions from the very first response. Next, you iterate with structure. Request headlines, leads, outlines, and CTAs in separate calls so the model focuses on each element. Make sure to include performance targets, CTR, read time, or shares, so suggestions align to measurable goals. Once you have options, compare variants and ask the AI to synthesize the best elements into a unified draft. Also prompt for social excerpts and image descriptions. This speeds production and ensures cohesive messaging across platforms. To finish, ask the AI for a single polished draft that merges chosen headline, lead, and outline while optimizing for keywords and CTA clarity. Then run a readability and factual check prompt. Manually verify any claims before publishing. If performance is poor, troubleshoot by tightening constraints, reduce model creativity, provide 2-3 explicit examples, or change headline formulas. One key tip: if the AI hallucinate facts, immediately request source-free phrasing and mark claims.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.